DocuSign is a cloud-based platform that allows users to sign, send, and manage documents electronically. It offers secure and legally binding digital signatures for contracts, agreements, and other official documents. The platform simplifies the process of signing documents remotely, eliminating the need for physical signatures and paper-based workflows. So how is DocuSign used in the construction industry? In the UK construction industry, DocuSign helps streamline various processes that typically involve significant amounts of paperwork, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. Here's how it is commonly used. Contract signing. Construction projects often require multiple contracts, such as construction agreements, subcontractor agreements, and supplier contracts. DocuSign is used to electronically sign these documents, speeding up the process of formalising agreements and ensuring that they are legally binding. Change orders and variations. Changes to the scope of a construction project often require formal documentation, such as change orders or variations. DocuSign allows stakeholders, such as contractors, clients, and suppliers, to sign these documents quickly and efficiently, ensuring that the project changes are officially approved without delays. Health and safety documentation. The construction industry is highly regulated, and compliance with health and safety protocols is crucial. DocuSign is used to sign and store various health and safety documents such as risk assessments, safety plans, and worker certifications. This ensures that all required documentation is in place and accessible. Project approvals. During construction, approvals are often required for different stages, including design, materials, or project milestones. DocuSign enables project managers and other stakeholders to quickly review and approve documents without needing to meet in person or rely on paper-based methods. Invoicing and payment authorization. Construction projects involve multiple transactions, including invoicing for work completed and authorizing payments. DocuSign can be used to sign invoices and authorize payment releases. Subcontractor and supplier agreements. DocuSign is used to sign agreements with subcontractors and suppliers, ensuring that terms are agreed upon in a timely manner, avoiding delays in the procurement and mobilization of resources. Document storage and audit trail. All signed documents through DocuSign are stored electronically, ensuring that they are easy to access and track. This is particularly useful for compliance and audits, as the system provides an auditable history of who signed each document and when. Remote working and collaboration. Construction teams often work across various locations, with some contractors or consultants working remotely. DocuSign facilitates remote document signing, reducing delays caused by geographical distances and allowing faster collaboration between on-site and off-site teams. Some of the benefits of using DocuSign. It reduces the time required for signing and approving documents, which accelerates project timelines. DocuSign meets UK legal requirements for electronic signatures, ensuring that documents are legally binding. Reduces paper usage, contributing to sustainability goals. Offers encrypted signatures and an audit trail, improving document security and ensuring that all changes and signatories are verifiable. Facilitates remote working, making it easier for stakeholders in different locations to participate in the process. Metroun, a commercial hub for your business.